What if your Claude AI could remember customers, save conversations, manage business data, and act like a real AI assistant? In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to connect Supabase to Claude AI without complicated coding. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, startup founder, or just curious about AI, this setup can help you build smarter AI agents fast. Let's jump in. Supabase is basically an open source backend that gives you a database, authentication, storage, and APIs instantly. Claude AI is powerful at understanding and generating human-like responses. When you connect them together, Claude can read, write, and update data automatically. Step 1. Create a Supabase project. First, go to the Supabase dashboard and create a new project. Choose your organization, give your project a name, set a secure database password, and select your region. Once the project is ready, open the SQL editor and create a table. For example, you can create a table called Customers with columns like ID, name, email, notes. Hit Run and your database is ready. Step 2. Get your API keys. Now, go to Project Settings, then API. Copy these two things, your Supabase URL, your Supabase Anon key. Keep them handy because Claude will use them to access your database. Never share your service role key publicly. Step 3. Connect Claude AI. Open Claude AI or your preferred AI workflow tool like MCP, N8N, Make, or Zapier. Create a new connection and choose Supabase. Paste your Supabase URL and Anon key. Next, define what Claude can do. For example, read customer information, save lead details, update support tickets, search previous conversations. Map your database fields carefully so Claude understands your data structure. Step 4. Test the connection. Let's test it. Ask Claude, add John Smith as a new customer with this email. If everything is connected correctly, Claude instantly writes the information into your Supabase table. You can also ask, show me all customers added today. That's it. Your AI now has memory. Imagine the possibilities. You can build AI customer support agents, CRM assistants, lead generators, internal business tools, and personalized chatbots, all powered by Claude AI and Supabase. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment AI agent if you want a full tutorial on building complete AI systems without coding. See you in the next video.